What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you're all having a great weekend. Great start of this Saturday. And in this video, we'll take a look at Ethereum. We'll do a full technical overview of what's happening with Ethereum, which is pretty complex, to be honest, but we'll dive right into it, and I'll make sure to explain it as much as possible. And then we'll also talk about some fundamentals, but just in general, what you can expect from Ethereum in the upcoming week. And upcoming days especially. So if we take a look at Ethereum today, obviously it's the weekend, volume is dropping pretty severely. We're down to 2.8% of the market cap. But that's not very bearish. It's just normal. And in price, we've been stable above 1200, as you can see. Like the last 24 hours, we really did not move at all. We've just been, we're pretty consolidating. As you can see, those EMAs, so those lines that are sloping down here, we're within those, which happens if we're consolidating. But then what you can see is that you got all of these trend lines, which it might look pretty weird, but you got all of these trend lines kind of pushing us down, and then you got a more bullish trend line coming up here, indicating some bullish momentum. So Ethereum really is, I mean, for Bitcoin, to me, it looks clearer. For Ethereum, it actually looks a little bit worse because we have a lot of strong resistance levels, and I wanted to go over that. And especially that 1250 level right now, which is probably actually going to be the level at 1235, which is also our resistance level right now, while those resistance levels are dropping down, right? Because the trend line is getting lower and lower with time, and that 200 EMA, that gold line as well, and that's really the strongest resistance. But just in general, like this entire level is so strong. It's such a strong resistance level, and then the only support level holding us up is 1200, which is not the strongest level on this chart. All right, so I'm kind of worried about Ethereum right now. I have to be honest, I'm kind of worried because these trend lines are also already confirmed. This one is very well confirmed, and this one has at least had 3 touches as well. So the thing, what's going to happen, I think we're going to get up there, find resistance, obviously, unless we get some very strong fundamentals. But I think we'll get up there, not this weekend, but somewhere early next week. Then I think we'll drop down, and if we can then hold 1200, which I do think there's a chance, then like we will drop down to 1200 because it's such a strong resistance level. But if we from there can actually get back up there, then I actually think we can stay up there and consolidate, even though we have all that resistance. And the main reason for that is, I mean, I'm not going to go against all the technicals without any reason, because let's be clear, purely based on the technicals, I would say we're dropping down to 1150. But I think the fundamentals are a little bit too bullish for that. And with the fundamentals especially, I mean, around the crypto market, it's relatively quiet now, even though there are still some disasters looming, for example, with Digital Coin Group. But if you take a look at the dollar strength index, you can see that it's still dropping down. And the problem kind of is that we have had a little bit more bullish momentum since the 15th. But I still think we're going to stay in this downtrend. All right, so if I'm wrong about that, I will be wrong about this analysis. But I think we're going to stay in this downtrend, so find resistance off of 104.7 and start making a lower low. So I think the fundamentals are bullish, and therefore I think we can actually hold 1200 and get up to a resistance level higher. I don't think we can get an uptrend, I said that earlier as well, but at least we can get a little bit more bullish momentum on the short term. So yeah, that's my take on Ethereum for now. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, I want to wish you all a great weekend. Take care and see you all tomorrow. Bye.